This video will cover how to create a web page within Moodle and the benefits of using web pages. So for instance, if we look at this test lesson that I've set up, we've got a title, a summary, and then 6 different links to click on. These different links in your course can get pretty lengthy and visually unappealing if you've got this week after week after week. And so in the second lesson, you can see that I've cleaned this up by doing the same title and summary, but combining these various resources, which include objectives, articles, websites, videos, and images, into just one web page. So if we click on the web page, we can see that this is a really attractive way to present information to your students. So we've got it all right there on one page for them to review and active links that they can click on for more information. And so how did we do this? If you go back to the course and want to add a resource, first you've got to be in edit mode so that you have all these different editing icons and these drop-down menus. All you would do is say add a resource and then compose a web page, and then what you should get is a page that looks like this, where you enter your page title, your page summary, and then just go ahead and compose the page. So I did some copying and pasting for most of these things. You'll notice that the icons within the editor are very similar to what you would use in a program like Microsoft Word or many of your email programs. So these should be easy icons to understand, but if you don't know what one of the icon means, just roll your mouse over it and it will tell you. This is called an HTML editor or a WYSIWYG editor, which means what you see is what you get. So a couple of these that you might not be familiar with is the insert image icon, insert table, which is very useful when you're trying to line your information up. You've got special characters. You can toggle the HTML source code if you like to do anything with HTML or you want to insert videos. And then you can enlarge the editor so that you have a separate window here that you can stretch for more space to work in. You'll also notice that the enlarged editor gives you many more options related to the use of tables, so it's good to know it's there. Okay, so let's say we wanted to hyperlink information within this lesson. It's really easy. What you would do is just open a separate page with the information you want to link to, copy that link, highlight the information that you want to link, and then click on the link icon, where you can paste in the address you want it to point to, give a title, and usually you want these links to open in a new window so that your student does not lose the Moodle course behind that. Say OK, and it's just that easy to link something. And if you want to insert an image, what you do then is you go to the page where the image is. So for example, maybe I was in Wikipedia here and I found this nice big image. If you right click on it, there is an option called View Image that will take you to a web page that just displays that address for that image. So then I can just copy that and I can say Insert Image and just paste in the address with my alt text and my alignment. Maybe I want it to the right of the text. So that's how we would get this picture here, which you can then stretch to resize. But you do want to use pictures that are close to the actual size that you want on your web page so that your browser isn't dealing with too much compression. And you'll notice that I have my source here. You've got to be really careful about copyright when citing images, or when using images, I should say. And the last thing that I included was a video, which you don't see the actual video on the screen here, but I'll show you how I got it on the screen. If I went to that video site, most video sites now have an option called Share, which will give you the embed code for the video. You'll see the embed code on Wikipedia, or excuse me, on YouTube for all of their videos, which then you just copy that code, go back to your course, and this is where you'll have to toggle the HTML source, and then you would just paste it in the bottom here. Now I had actually already pasted in the code, but I just wanted to illustrate how we would do it. So I will go ahead and cancel my changes here, and then we'll take another look at that page. And that's how it's done.